the administration of Goa is in a complete turmoil, and because of the administration being in a turmoil, the Chief Minister not being available to the people of Goa, the most affected community, that is the students, are the most affected community today, because Manohar Parrikar, who has the education portfolio, is not available to us, the student community of Goa. If you go to see these days, the issues are increasing. May it be the GU art issue, the Goa University admission ranking test issue, wherein the exams were preponed from June to January with a sudden notice. This is one issue. May it be the transportation issue for the students. The entire Dharbandhara Taluka does not know how to travel now. The students are facing such a problem because they used to depend, the students from Molem, Kolem, Satpal and Dharbandhara used to depend on ST and SC buses for transportation. They don't know how to travel to the colleges right now. Or maybe the results being declared late, or the revaluation issue, wherein the fees of revaluation are increasing day by day. These all issues are increasing and we don't know whom to go to. The Chief Minister of Goa is not available to us. The Vice Chancellor is not even giving us an appointment. The Governor is not giving us an appointment. So we all look upon the Chief Minister for this issue, and the Chief Minister is not being available is the biggest problem for us. So what we are asking is, we are asking the BJP government, the president of BJP, of what to do. What should we as students do? And to give us an alternative of whom do we go to. Do we go to him to solve our issues is what we are asking. For BJP, if you go to see, the education sector is being the last priority, and they are more interested in kite festivals or the EDM festival, the Sunburn, which is happening. Even though the dues are not being paid by Sunburn, it is still allowing them to have the festival. So BJP is basically becoming an event management company and not a political organization.